So Rishit X Chan on Instagram is asking, how can one be consistent? You can answer from a game designer's perspective.
Man, that's also another good one. Um, Consistency is again sort of tied to the previous question, I would say, dependent on what sort of railroad you have, and the railroad is basically built by keywords for me. If I have a specific thing that I'm looking for in a design, I need to keep my thoughts specified, or like at least gravitating towards a concept. And I should be able to find things that are different from each other, but everything should be pretty much around the same distance to the like core pillar or core concept that I'm looking for. And consistency is usually done with just practice. There's no easy way to find consistency anywhere. Same with sports, same with esports, and same with most professions. Uh, they're asking you how many years you have in this profession for a reason. They are actually looking for consistency, and even though like the question is nice and simple, the answer is only simple on the paper. Just do the same thing over and over. Uh, you need to do 1,000 prototypes before you find that right prototype for you, perhaps. And maybe that's how we grow as humans. But yeah, I think consistency simply comes from repeating the same task over and over again. I don't know if there's an easy answer other than this. And if there is, please let me know.